In this video, I'll show you how to delete text on Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and select the PDF from your device. Once the document is open, go to All Tools and choose Edit a PDF. In some versions of Acrobat, this option may appear as Edit PDF in the Tools panel. This is the main tool you use when you want to change, replace, or remove existing text inside a PDF. After you open the editing tool, Adobe Acrobat will analyze the page and place boxes around the editable text and images. Click on the section of text you want to delete. When the text box appears, click inside it and place your cursor next to the words you want to remove. Now highlight the text you want to delete. You can select one word, a sentence, a full paragraph, or everything inside the text box. Then press Backspace or Delete on your keyboard. If you want to remove the entire text box, click the edge of the box so the whole object is selected, then press Delete. This removes that entire text area from the page. After deleting the text, check the layout carefully. Sometimes removing text leaves an empty space, or nearby text may not move automatically the way it would in a normal Word document. If needed, click the remaining text and adjust the spacing, resize the text box, or move other elements so the page still looks clean. If you cannot click or select the text, the PDF may be scanned or image-based. This means the text is part of a picture instead of editable text. To fix this, go to All Tools and choose Scan and OCR. Run text recognition on the document. Then go back to Edit a PDF and try deleting the text again. Also keep in mind that some PDFs are protected. If editing is restricted, Acrobat may ask for a password, or the delete option may not work. In that case, you need permission from the document owner. If the text contains sensitive information, such as an address, phone number, account number, ID number, or private details, do not just cover it with a white box. Use the Redact tool instead. Redaction permanently removes the information from the PDF, which is much safer for private documents. When you are finished, review the page one more time and make sure you deleted the correct text. Finally, save your PDF. Click File, then save to update the same file, or choose Save, as if you want to keep the original document unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.